You now have a better understanding of what's going on in the employment landscape, and we've identified what needs to change and why. It's time now to dive into how to integrate career fit into the current career search. Traditional job search wisdom and teaching says that this process is done in a very rigid format that only allows the applicant to offer the facts. We have been told that employers only want a snapshot of who you are and what you have for experience and skills. Unlocking career fit is all about how to work from within the current process to make sure that you are finding ways to better describe and showcase who you are. You validate that you are on the right track and ensure that you're on your way to finding your career. Let's explore how to apply and integrate career fit into each step of this process.